Managed our first landing.
Yeah, private beach.
What was the tactic for the landing?
Well, Charlie said it looked clear, there was no rocks, and literally
You didn't say, is there any rocks?
a metre to the left of us is loads of rocks. So.
You didn't ask that, did you? Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't hear you say that. You just said you couldn't get the rudder up.
Oh, well, getting old.
That's what she said. Okay, we're on our second takeoff. Wayne's trying to put his skirt on. It's hard work, isn't it?
Keeps popping up.
I put my feet up and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
The rudder up.
Yeah.
Forever, I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking.
That was fun.
Do you know I put your song on just to wake you up? When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Done our second beach landing.
Yeah, this is a good one, isn't it?
Was this one
nice,
better?
nice swimming beach, this one.
And there was no rocks that we nearly hit.
Yeah.
So we just did well, Wayne already had his swimming stuff on. I did a bikini change on the beach with Wayne holding my towel, and then realised my bum was out the whole time. So,
There's no one here. There's one
Yeah.
other couple.
but they weren't facing the bum way, they were the other way. So
Put that in upstairs for the height. That's the way the bum was facing.
So we've just had a little swim. It's freezing in there.
It's not. It's quite warm.
It's not.
It's not
warm.
as cold as the other beaches done in New Zealand.
No?
Vega. And it's like crystal.
It's
clear.
crystal clear, yeah. So we're gonna have a minute here, and then we're gonna head over to an island over there, and then that's dinner time, is it?
Yeah, that's where there's might see some seals and then get lunch. These beaches look dead nice.
On that side, yeah, on
So,
that
yeah,
island.
might come into one of them.
You are the golden sun that shines upon me, never left unsung.
What's happening?
He's coming.
He's coming.
About to be eaten.
Where is it?
Don't know. Bit worried now.
Oh, that rock.
Yeah, it's alright. Is he still coming?
I don't know. Lost him. Behind you, look.
No wings. When I feel your breath run down my spine, I know you're not too far behind. You make my dreams come true, and I owe it all to you. When you promise that we
like they're sunbathing. Looks like they're sunbathing.
You inside my mind, waiting in the wind. Now when I feel your breath run down my spine, I know you're not too far behind. You make my dreams come true, and I owe it all.
This is our third beach. Dinner beach.
Dinner beach.
You can see the beach that we stopped at first over there. We've just done like a loop of this island. Saw some seals. Seals or sea lions?
Seals, I think New Zealand seals.
Cute. But they were like doing like acro aerobics and the
Is that a
thing.
massive sea lion?
Stop. I'm not. It's not. It's not. They were doing like water aerobics, weren't they?
Zumba, water Zumba.
You do it? That's what they were doing.
Make my dreams come true, and I owe it all.
Where are we?
At the beach, right?
Which beach?
That's the rubbish beach that Charlie picked. It was rubbish sand in front of a landslip, and the sea was dirty.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the beautiful beach that I picked. And there's
And what's
just
the
us
one that
here.
was down there?
The one that was down there?
Yeah.
Nice, but had all the walkers on it. The walkers can't get to this one.
And how close to that one did we get?
Never split with Shatterproof.
You decided you didn't want to navigate.
Okay, we have sat and swam a little bit for an hour. Our little beach.
Yeah.
No one else swam
Longer.
past. We had some music on,
It's been nice.
history. And now we're gonna kayak back. How far back is it?
I reckon about half hour. Hopefully the wind is pushing us.
And then
Pizza and beer.
it's a little cafe up the road.
The
that we
guy said it's open mic night tonight as well, so
You said, "Oh, we get famous people," and then named a load of New Zealand people that no one
I
else
thought
knows.
he was going to say like Ed Sheeran, and he just mentioned someone no one's ever heard of.
We just both went, "Oh." So yeah, nice day.
Yeah, very nice day. Definitely worth hiring the kayaks yourself and
Yeah.
exploring.
One of our
Compared
favourites
to the tours, yeah.
for a while, I think, innit?
Yeah.
It's just not falling on this last little stretch back now.